Classic rustic interior design captures the essence of comfort, simplicity, and natural beauty. Rooted in traditional countryside living, this design embraces raw textures, organic materials, and handcrafted elements that bring a heartfelt connection to nature. As modern life becomes increasingly fast-paced, many homeowners turn to rustic interiors to create warm, peaceful sanctuaries where authenticity takes center stage. We will explore timeless rustic design ideas, key elements, and practical tips to help you create a captivating classic rustic interior for your home. Understanding classic rustic interior design. Classic rustic style originates from rural homes, farmhouses, and mountain lodges. It reflects a handcrafted lifestyle, using materials that age beautifully over time. The rustic aesthetic celebrates imperfection. Knots in wood, rough textures, and natural variations are seen as charming details that add character to a space. Unlike industrial or modern rustic styles, classic rustic retains a strong traditional feel with a cozy, homey atmosphere. It feels lived in, warm, and nostalgic. Key elements of classic rustic interiors. 1. Natural materials as the foundation. The rustic style relies heavily on earthy elements such as solid wood beams, flooring, and furniture, stone walls, fireplaces, or flooring accents, wicker, wrought tan, and leather materials. These organic features ground the space and bring a raw yet refined visual appeal. 2. Warm and earthy color palette. Rustic interiors draw inspiration from nature, favoring tones such as deep browns and warm wood hues, olive, sage, and forest greens, creams, beiges, and soft neutrals, muted terracotta, and burnt orange. This palette creates a feeling of warmth and serenity, perfect for a relaxing environment. 3. Cozy textures and layers. A rustic home is incomplete without plush layers and tactile comfort. Common textile choices include wool or braided rugs, knitted throws and blankets, linen or cotton upholstery, fur or faux fur accents. Layering these materials adds depth while enhancing the cozy atmosphere. 4. Vintage and handcrafted furniture. Rustic furniture typically features sturdy wooden pieces with visible grain, antique or distressed finishes, curved lines rather than sleek minimalism. Each furniture piece feels unique, carrying stories from craftsmanship and age. 5. Soft lighting and candle ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in shaping rustic's inviting warmth. Lantern-style lighting, wrought iron or wooden chandeliers, table lamps with fabric shades, candles or classic candle holders. Warm yellow-toned illumination helps create a calming, intimate space. Rustic interior ideas for different rooms. Living room, a welcoming and relaxing centerpiece. Highlight a stone or brick fireplace as a focal point. Choose a large wooden coffee table with natural finishes. Add an oversized sofa with cozy cushions and textured blankets. Display nature-inspired decor such as dried branches or woven baskets. The living room should feel like a place where friends and family can gather comfortably. Kitchen, the heart of rustic charm. Use open wooden shelving instead of upper cabinets. Choose copper or matte metal hardware for a vintage feel. Feature a farmhouse-style sink paired with wooden or stone countertops. Hang pendant lights or lanterns above the kitchen island. Rustic kitchens blend functionality with timeless, nostalgic beauty. Bedroom, a calm and restful retreat. Opt for a solid wooden or wrought iron bed frame. Incorporate layered bedding in linen or cotton fabrics. Use bedside tables made from reclaimed wood. Introduce calming decor such as neutral artwork or small indoor plants. The rustic bedroom prioritizes serenity and connection to nature. Dining area, a space for togetherness. A large wooden dining table becomes the star of the room. Mix and match seating with benches and wooden chairs. Present vintage dishware or a centerpiece of fresh greenery. Use warm lighting to foster a cozy dining atmosphere. Rustic dining rooms feel inviting and perfect for family-style meals. Decor and accessories for a rustic ambience. Rustic decor focuses on simplicity and authenticity, nothing too shiny or overly polished. Consider including handmade pottery and ceramic pieces, woven baskets for storage and style, wooden picture frames with nature-inspired art, antique clocks or iron wall accents, Natural elements like pine cones, stones, or dried flowers. These accessories add charm without overwhelming the space. The role of nature in rustic interiors. Nature is the soul of rustic design. Incorporating greenery and natural light helps bring life into the room. Large windows help connect the interior with the outdoor landscape. Houseplants or small herb gardens refresh the space visually and physically. Natural airflow enhances the organic and comfortable living experience. The result is a home that feels grounding, healthy, and nurturing. Sustainability and reclaimed materials. Rustic design encourages sustainable living by prioritizing reuse and craftsmanship. Reclaimed wood from barns or old furniture. Upcycled metal and iron elements. Eco-friendly finishes and natural fibers. These materials not only reduce environmental impact, but also enrich the design with character and history. Blending rustic style with modern living. Classic rustic interiors can be seamlessly integrated into contemporary homes by combining rustic textures with minimal modern furniture, using neutral walls paired with rich wood tones, incorporating sleek technology discreetly. This fusion allows homeowners to enjoy the charm of rustic style without giving up modern comfort. Some may also incorporate Scandinavian influences for a lighter, airier rustic look, often referred to as rustic chic. Tips for achieving classic rustic style in your home. To design a timeless rustic space, consider the following practical guidelines. Start with a warm, earthy color palette. Choose wooden elements with visible grain and natural finishes. Prioritize handcrafted and durable furniture. Add cozy layers through rugs, blankets, and upholstered pieces. Incorporate elements that feel aged, not synthetic. Keep decor meaningful and avoid clutter. Maintain a strong connection to nature through lighting and plants. Consistency and balance are key. Every element should feel welcoming and genuine. Why rustic style remains timeless. Classic rustic interior design remains popular today because it satisfies universal desires for warmth, comfort, and authenticity. In a world filled with modern materials and digital distractions, rustic interiors offer a refreshing connection to tradition and the natural world. The style creates a cozy home environment, celebrates handcrafted artistry, encourages sustainable living, works well across seasons and generations. These strengths make rustic design adaptable and forever charming.